Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sheila. I am a YouTube beauty blogger slash influencer, and today I'm here to share with you guys a review slash tutorial on the iSmile California teeth whitening kit. They're a new company from California that specializes in teeth whitening. Their product is available on Amazon, and I was really intrigued by their product because I've tried a lot of other teeth whitening kits out there like iSmile, and I didn't get the results that I was looking for, and a lot of times I had just uncomfortable feeling, burning, things of that nature, that just made teeth whitening not pleasant. But I decided to give it another go around with iSmile California because their kit seemed really unique. So there's a few things that I feel are very unique about iSmile California. So the reason I decided to go ahead and take the plunge and test it out myself was because after talking with my dentist, I've had chairside whitening before, but as you guys know, that's expensive. It adds up, and right now I'm just trying to save all of the coins that I can, but still look my best. So he told me that remineralizing is a very important process that happens at the dentist when you're getting your teeth whitening, and that a lot of the at-home kits don't offer a remineralizing component to their systems, and that's why a lot of times you don't get the results that you want and you have discomfort. So it was very intriguing to me that I saw that this kit not only does it whiten, it remineralizes, it desensitizes. So I really felt confident that I wasn't going to run into those issues with this kit. Also, the cool thing about this kit, which I'm going to open it up and show you guys, is the actual light for this kit. I like it because it plugs into my phone, so it's super convenient to use. So the box looks like this. It's a white box. On the back, it tells you what it comes with. The LED light is compatible with both iPhone and Android. It comes with the professional teeth whitening pen and the professional teeth whitening desensitizing pen as well. And it also has their website and contact information on the back. I like the backs because it's compact and everything's really neatly packaged as well. So when you open the box, it looks like this. You have your Deluxe Teeth Whitening LED Light Kit manual here. So this is specifically designed for sensitive teeth and gums. I have very sensitive gums, and you know, I just can't just use any old product. I have to use something that's very high quality like the iSmile California kit. And this just goes over how to use it. It gives you the instructions. It tells you that it's a 15-minute automatic power off. So the light that I'm going to show you guys that you plug into your phone, it automatically will shut itself off after 15 minutes. Now also they do give you a 3D teeth whitening shade guide. So it goes from 1 to 16, and so you can kind of track your results to see where your teeth are now and where they are after whitening your teeth with the kit. You have enough to do several applications, which is really good. So inside the kit you have your mouth tray and also some adapters as well to fit both iPhone and Android. I have an iPhone, so I'm just going to plug in the iPhone adapter. It just snaps in like that. And it literally will just plug into the bottom of my iPhone and it turns on. There's a red and a blue light. So the blue light is what helps to whiten your teeth. The red light helps to desensitize. So also in the box you have your 3 whitening pens, and then you also have your blue remineralizing gel as well. And for best results, you do want to use this once a day for 2 weeks. Although for me, like, I saw results even after the first time of using it. But for best results, use it once a day for 2 weeks and you will be wowed by the results. So using this kit is super simple. It's very easy to use, and I'm going to show you guys the whole process right now. So I'm just going to take the transparent pen, the whitening gel pen. I'm going to remove the cap, and I'm just going to turn the bottom. You'll hear a clicking noise like so. So the first time you use it, you may have to turn it a little bit more. So you're going to get a little bead at the tip, and you're just going to apply that to each tooth. Now, I've already brushed my teeth, I've rinsed, and I've kind of patted my teeth dry. And I'm going to go ahead and apply this to all of my teeth, like so. If you need a little bit more, just click it and add more to your teeth. So I'm going to go ahead and insert the tray into my mouth, and I'm going to go ahead and plug it into my phone. So after 15 minutes, the light on the tray automatically went off by itself, so I did not have to worry about setting a separate additional timer. It automatically let me know when it was done because the light automatically went off. And I didn't experience any discomfort. There's no tingling sensation, no burning sensation like I've had with those other kits that I've used in the past. So after I got done, all I did was I rinsed my mouth with cold water, and I rinsed the tray with cold water. And I love the fact that I could watch TV and catch up on my favorite shows while I was doing this. You can also plug this into your computer at home if you would like. So if you want to multitask while you're working from home or anything, you can definitely do that as well. But I just love the fact that it's not obtrusive. I can go ahead and do other things around the house while multitasking and getting my teeth white as well. So now that that part is done, even though I don't have any sensitivity right now, no burning, no discomfort, I am going to go ahead and do the next step, which is the remineralizing pin. That's the blue pin in the kit. And so I'm just going to go ahead, the same thing. I'm going to turn the bottom part. You'll hear it clicking until a little bead appears like so. And then I'm just going to put this on the teeth that I applied the whitening gel to. And then from there, you can put the mouth guard back on. At this point, the light isn't necessary. It's up to you. But as far as the pen, you could use it without the light. It's fine. But I'm going to go ahead and apply this to all of my teeth and leave that on for 5 to 10 minutes just to make sure that everything is remineralized so that I don't have any sensitivity. And I'm just going to put the tray back in my mouth just to keep the remineralizing gel in place for the next like 5 to 10 minutes. Alright you guys, so I'm done. I went ahead and rinsed my mouth. I rinsed the tray with cold water again, dried it, and now my kit is ready for the next day when I get ready to use it. And I'm done for the day, and my teeth feel great. I don't feel any discomfort, and I can see a noticeable difference in the whiteness of my teeth, which I absolutely love. So iSmile California, definitely 2 thumbs up for this kit, you guys. It did exactly what I needed it to do, and it made my teeth whiter without the discomfort, which is like the biggest thing for me. So I would highly recommend checking them out. You can try them for 30 days for free. If it doesn't work for you, you can return it. So you do have that risk-free trial with them. Make sure you click the link down below. You can pick it up on Amazon. So you know with Amazon, you get really quick shipping. So it's just great. They're available via Prime. So definitely pick it up today so that you can get your teeth as white as possible and have a beautiful, dazzling smile. So thank you guys for watching as always, and I will see you guys soon for another video. Bye.